Okay, so here we have zy is ry minus jxy. This one is capacitive loss. Okay? Yeah. So now we have x-axis, right? This is V phase. This is V phase. Maybe I use another colors. The V phase. This is V phase with 0 degree. V phase with 0 degree. Okay. Now because this is inductive, so IA lacks V phase. Okay, so here is IA. Okay, IA. So how can we draw this one? So IA RA in the same direction with, right? IA RA in the same direction with IA, and J's XA IA lean IA 90 degree, right? Right? Okay. So here is IA RA. Okay. So here 90 degree. You can get here is J's SS IA. So now we get EA here and here. And this phase angle is what? Delta. Delta, right? Delta. So now we have another phase angle here and here, right? So when we talk about delta, this is the phase angle between EA and V phase. We have another phase angle here. Here is what? Here is what? Why we don't have? Maybe we should have, right? What is this? Oh, my explanation. What is? Raman. We say Raman. So Raman is the phase angle between IA and what? IA and EA. So here, this is EA, this is IA. So this one is Raman. And this one, let me remember. Maybe we double check. Let me check. Oh, thank you so much here. This is theta. So theta is the phase angle between what? V phase and what? IA or IA and V phase. Okay. So every phasor diagram, we have three different phase angles: delta, Raman, theta. And please remember it. So if you don't want to remember, you copy this information into your GCS. when you obtain the final result. Okay. Is it clear? Any questions? Xuân Quỳnh, any questions? Khổ thân ha. Gái học ngành kỹ thuật, học biết tóc tay gì để gụng hết. Suy nghĩ quá trời. Phải không anh? Phải không? À, còn trai thì tóc nào bạc hết, trắng hết. Hôm nào thầy phải đi nhuộm tóc lại. Tóc bạc quá. Okay, come back. So here, capacitive load. So I is lead. V phase. Okay. So if here we have V phase, here we have V phase with the phase angle 0 degree. And now EA here, sorry, IA here, because IA is leading to the phase. Okay, so now we can have IA, yes, then this one is trace XS IA. Okay? 90 degree, right? Right? So now this one is EA. Or EA. This one is delta. This one is theta. And this one is gamma. Okay? Yeah. Do you agree with me about the phasor diagram? Now, comparisons. So we have resistive rod. Okay, or I just says IA in the same direction with V5, and we have inductive rod. Okay, so IA lacks V phase and capacitive rod. IA lead V phase. So observation. For unity loss or resistor loss, the magnitude of EA higher than V phase. Do you agree with me? Yes. Okay, so for inductive loss, EA much higher than V phase. Do you agree with me? And capacitive loss, EA less than V phase. Do you read? Yes. What else? I don't know. You must know. 5% extrovert. Maybe it's too much. 2% extrovert. If you can get another observation, just observe the facial diagram and you can recognize it. If you don't know, I don't know too. Because you are very good student. I am spirit, so you should know. So we can see that AI is always leads with us, right? Yes. Look. Next questions. Why? Why? I don't know. You know. If you don't know, ask ChatGPT. Now, 5 minutes. Ask ChatGPT. Why? We help this one. So if the ChatGPT doesn't know, oh my God. Yeah. Or you can say, you can type the question, why internal phase voltage is leading the terminal phase voltage of the synchronous generator. Okay, and the ChatGPT will give you the answers. Yeah. Yes, good. Can you get the answer? No? Not yet? Okay. Học hành cái gì một thầy cứ hỏi chắc kêu hỏi chắc GPT không? Phải không cho mình? Học hành cái gì? Quá trời. Do you understand why? Yeah, the keyword empowerment. Okay, so to give you the answers before I will give you the answers before we take a break. Okay, so when we talk about power flow, we have active power flow, right? Power flow, right? We have reactive power flow. Okay, directions. Sometimes we say flow or we say direction. Okay. So the definition is what? The definition is the power flow direction from the leading power factor to lagging power factor. So for reactive power direction, it will flow from the highest voltage to the lower voltage. This is the definition of active power direction, reactive power flow direction. Now, This is the generator. This is the lot. So we know the active power flow from the generator to the lot, right? Definitely yes. Because we supply the power to the lot. So that means from the leading to the lagging. Look, EA always leading to the V phase. That means the power factors of V phase here, and the power factors of EA and V phase. Yeah. Okay, so EA is always leading to V phase. So from the leading to the lagging. So that is always this V phase to satisfy this definition. Okay, now look. This is B, right? This is Q. Reactive power is Q. From the higher voltage to the lower voltage. Okay, so now look. EA higher than V phase. So Q will flow from the generator to what? To load. Here, the same. Q will flow from the generator to what? To the load. But now, different, right? Because VEA is less than V phase, so now Q load back to the generator. Okay? Do you need this case? No, because more Q, more thermal. We discussed yesterday, right? More thermal. So now, if we have capacity loss, to be careful, because if Q come back from load to generators, your generator will be damaged. Okay, now, yeah, this is the answer. Is that correct? Yes. We will come back at either. Okay.
Thằng Lễ nó hiện diện dầu
vậy là chủ dầu chủ
không, nó có cây bên trong
kỳ
bên trong
tấm bắp cũng mình mua cho em bé nóng chết luôn mình đi
không bôi này được bôi gì vậy
bôi qua nó chết
không bôi này nè bôi này
nóng chết luôn ngồi gần cái đó tiếp cận chưa nhìn gần sao quá
nó chụp cái ảnh gì mình
cháu nó chụp cái ảnh cháu của cháu Tại sao tôi cháo màu xanh? Tại sao tôi cháo màu xanh?
Tất cả các phép tôi cháo một thành
Xanh gì?
Xanh lá. Cháo màu xanh lá đó mà.
Bà quá xài rồi, quá luôn không chịu rồi.
Cái trái màu xanh này nè.
Cái trái trẻ em.
Cháo
Cái trẻ em.
cái bệnh viện luôn.
cháo bút mạ. Cháo bút mạ.
Má drama này không?
Không drama.
Drama.
Nó học đi nữa rồi. Bài phát xong rồi nó bán rồi. Bánh mì đâu ngon.
Quy đúng chị
Có gì đâu mấy ông.
Nó khác nhiều.
Bài học xanh.
Bài học mà sao?
rồi
Bài học xanh. Bài học xanh.
Họ chiều không học thì sợ lắm. Không chơi mà.
Mua đồ có gì nha?
chứ ba mua đồ có gì tầm bài rồi.
Mua đồ công việc nói gì nha?
Thấy có tôi tầm bài tôi hiển.
Ha ha ha. Lễ đi xe là sai rồi.
Mua rồi.
Mày có ai sai?
Mua là sai.
Hát với lại
Ủa làm sao cho phiếu
không nộp tao không biết là nó
cho luôn.
Ý là cái chung là không ráng không cho được nó xài
Hai tháng 10 là
cái điểm đồ chết vô này tại vì con chi tiết nó sai người bò là sai mình rồi cộng với điểm nó chia đôi á
cộng chia đôi.
Thật ra mình có xe sơ sở chỉ có 2 cái rồi.
đúng rồi ông năm trước qua qua
tận lại
con không sai để con không biết sai cái bánh hàng không phải sai